It's May. That means it's time to take a look at inventory, days on market and sales price in those three coastal cities. You know what they are, Corona del Mar, Newport Beach and Newport Coast, so that we can see what the trends are telling us as we move into May 2024.
I'm Kiwi of the coast, the agent with the most.
Helping you maximize and sell the value of your coastal home. I'm a data junkie, so let's dive in. New listings, we've been waiting for good news. Last month, 62 new listings in that marketplace. Guess what? It's finally jumped up to 89. This is the biggest increase we've seen from a long time, and that's encouraging because it could mean those sellers believe the market's maxed out, they're getting their homes on the market before they start to see some price settling, or less buyers out there looking for those high-priced homes. Now, before we look at the number of closings, the number of sales, let's look at what's actually transacting. That means going under contract and pending for the month of April, and compare it with March. Guess what? March, as you realize, was 45. What was it for April? It's down, dropped substantially to 35. So what does that mean? There's tension there in the marketplace. Those buyers are having to reach ever further with higher interest rates. So we're not seeing the same number of homes go under contract as the prior month. So pressure on the marketplace, pressure on sellers. Hopefully those sellers respond by getting their homes on the market quickly before they figure they're going to lose out. Now let's look at the number of sales. Well, 47 in March, jumping slightly, seasonally adjusted to 53. We'd expect that as we get into those hot spring selling months. Days on market, what's happening there? Well, we're starting to see a bit of a stall out. March 47, and of course April 47 as well. That's a month and a half of being on the market before something goes on under contract. So not speeding up, not slowing down. Active listings. Well, the month of March there was 232. So. Did it increase for the month of April? Yes, it did. 258. So we got a little bit more inventory for those poor home-starved buyers to go and pick from. Average list price, what is happening there? 7.4 in March. It's gone up slightly, but not significantly, 7.49. So staying pretty static. What does that mean? Well, that list price, that average list price, pretty indicative of the fact that the sellers are realizing they really can't squeeze a lot more out of those tired buyers. Average sales price, so this is telling March around 6.2 million was the average sales price. Has it dropped? Has it increased? Guess what? It's gone down almost $1 million. The average sales price last month, April, 5.19 million. So the homes, lower priced, definitely moving faster on average. And of course, the list price being much higher, buyers are attracted to that lower percentile of the market, and they're jumping on those homes, which, given the higher interest rates, are a lot more affordable. They're adjusting their price targets to be at a lower price range to offset the mortgage if they need one. Remember, many of those buyers, about 40%, are all cash. The real estate market, it is constantly changing. Click on the video that's on your screen right now so that I can keep you up to date on inventory, days on market, mortgage rates, and all those factors affecting you and the real estate market. We'll see you on the next one. Boom.